TeckWrapCraft video. Today we are going to make this design with TeckWrapCraft vinyl. We're going to be using their Halloween collection, and I am going to show you in a couple of minutes how their collection looks, how can you find it on their website, and yeah, stay tuned. Where can you find TeckWrapCraft Halloween collection? I'm glad you asked. You can visit their website, which is TeckWrapCraft.com. There you can find craft blanks, accessories, vinyl bundles. And they have these amazing colors. And but for this project, we're going to use the Halloween collection, which is this one on the screen. And I am going to use one design I found on Cricut Design Space. Okay. Now that I have it on my canvas, I am going to make it, and I am going to select the settings I am going to use. TeckWrap usually sends a sheet with all the settings we should use for each machine we have. So I have a Cricut Maker, and they recommend the use of the holographic vinyl setting. So that's the one I am going to use. Please make sure to remove the protective layer. Usually TeckWrap vinyl comes with a protective layer, and you will want to remove that before cutting your design. One thing I can tell you already is that this vinyl is very easy to weed, and yeah, I am going to speed things up because I know this is boring, and I am going to show you the end result in a couple of minutes. I bought this water bottle in Walmart, and I think it only cost me like $1.50. And yeah, I'm obsessed with the result of this water bottle. And that, how this vinyl looks, I love it. this is the end result and I love it. I hope you liked the video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And if you like the video, you can save it for future reference. I hope you have a great day. Remember, this was Arlene. Thank you so much for watching.